How to save file as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. From here, navigate to the folder location where you want to save a file as PDF and tap on it to open. For instance, go to On My iPhone. Open the relevant folder and then tap on the file to open it. After the file loads, tap the Share icon located at the bottom of your screen. From the Share menu that appears, scroll down through the list of options and select Print. You will now be taken to the Printer Options page. Again, tap on the Share icon at the top. This action converts the entire print preview into a single PDF document. Now, scroll down a bit and tap on the Save to Files option. Once you are done choosing the folder, tap on Save at the top right corner. Go back to the folder you just saved the file. You will see the file has now been converted into a PDF by tapping on the file name at the top. Following these steps, you can easily save a file as a PDF on an iPhone.